Well, there's the front of the house. I partially did some of the driveway. It's like 3 feet of snow here. That is my front stoop. I can't even get to it yet. And I've been out here for hours with my snowblower trying to clean this all up. It's insane. It's like all over a 24-hour period. There's just so much snow. But anyway, it does look nice when it first falls. I think it's very windy out here. So yeah, I can't even get in through my front door. I have to go around the back to get into the house, because that's where I came through with the snowblower. It's insane. It's cold, it's windy. It's not fun. My dogs go out in this and they have no room to walk. Here's my backyard. There's the slide. I mean, look at the snow. This is a 6-foot fence. How high the snow is on there. It's crazy. I don't know. I gotta run out to the store. Well, see ya.